today I'll be showing you how to install Netility and how to search and add your SNMP card and use it. So first we want to go to our website and then go to products and click software, and we want to download Netility over there. Once it's downloaded, we can go into our downloads folder. We can right click and go extract all, and we can extract it for installation. Once it's extracted, we can go in. We would just want to double click on the Netility file application to install. We can say yes to approve administrative privileges. We just click next, next, and we wait for it to install. Then we click finish. Once it's installed, we'll be able to click on the Start menu and open Netility. As we can see now, it's searching for the device. And there it's found it. So your UPS needs to be turned on and the SNMP card plugged in with the Ethernet cable or network cable plugged in. So once we're in here, we can click Launch Web User Interface, and this will bring us to the settings and control panel of the SNMP card. And this is where we can see system information about the card, network status, and then down on the left hand side we can see basic information, current status, the output and battery statuses. We can use remote control to do some UPS testing and turn off UPS, reboot the UPS, etc. If we look in configuration, this is where, if we need to, we can set a static IP address for the networking. I would recommend just leaving it on DHCP. If you do need to set a static IP address, maybe use a DHCP reservation in your networking gear. You got some SNMP settings here. Not that these are changed very often. And if you have email configuration, you can do so through here. If we go back, we can go to network settings in here and also set IP address settings in there, set passwords if needed.